factory. When you make everything science, technology, engineering, mathematics, easy to comprehend, assimilate, fun and exciting, or entertaining. To enhance our understanding and speed of handling combination, I believe it's proper that we handle these properties of combinatory coefficients. You know, we have permutations of factorial, and from permutation and or factorial, we were able to, develop the concept of combination. Let's go over some things so that we can bring out some other things. We know that when we have something like this, 5p5 is going to be 5 factorial. Or when we have 5p2, we are going to have it like this: 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 factorial. That is when you are selecting 2 out of 5. So, we have seen that 5 factorial will be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now, let's go general. If I have anything like this, n factorial is going to be n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3 times, once we get to 2 and 1. So if you go like that, which means that n minus 1 factorial can be expressed as n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3 times, and we go like that, times 3 times 2 times 1. So in essence, if you look at this, between this and this, the only difference is n. So you can now say that n factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 factorial. That one is clear now. In the same way, let's look at n plus r factorial. It will be n plus r times n plus r minus 1 times n plus r minus 2, and it will continue like that. We have 3 times 2 times 1. So we have broken it down to this stage. So let's look at a situation like this. When you have n plus r plus 1, we're going to give you n plus r plus 1 like this. If you have n plus r minus 1, it's going to give you n plus r minus 1. So if you have n minus r minus 1, it's going to give you n plus 1 minus r, which is also equal to n minus r plus 1. So you can see, I want you to have this, in mind by the time we go deep into the properties of combinatory factorial coefficients. So I think with this, the mind is prepared. Let's go deeper into the topic. So the number one property is that n selecting n or n choosing n is equal to n choosing nothing, which is equal to 1. And let's look at how it becomes about this result. You know that ncn equals to nc0, which is equal to 1. Let's try with this left hand side first. N combination n, that is when we choose n from n, we are going to have n factorial over n minus n factorial multiplied by n factorial. And that's going to give us n factorial over 0 factorial n factorial. Mind you, we are only the left hand side, and 0 factorial is equal to 1. So by the time you do this, you are going to have n factorial over 1 times n factorial. So we are going to have 1. This is the left hand side. Now let's go to the right hand side. We are going to have n choosing 0 is equal to n factorial over n minus 0 factorial times n times 0 factorial. Sorry. So it's going to be n factorial over n factorial times 1, which is equal to 1. You can see the place that you need to look at is the denominator. It is just like interchanging this one. See, this is equal to 0n, and so this is n0. You can see n0 factorial, n factorial, 0 factorial. So in handling this thing, the place that you need to concentrate more on is the denominator. Now the second one is n choosing n minus r is equal to n choosing r. Let us undo this side and this, the right hand side first. equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial multiplied by r factorial. You can see. That's now let us go to the left hand side. We have n choosing n minus r is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial multiplied by n minus r factorial. Now let's look at the second property. N combination n minus r will be n combination r. So when you know this, it helps you to solve so many problems easily. I see so many questions that I would have been doing long permutation and combination. But because I know this property, I was able to solve the question with ease after a long time. So let's do this right hand side. You know, NCR will be equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial r factorial. That is now for left hand side, nc n minus r will be equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial into n minus r factorial. And if you look at this one, n minus r, n minus r will be equal to n minus n plus r, which is r. So we should that what is inside there is r. Therefore, nc n minus r will be equal to n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial. Now if you compare this one, let's make this 1 and 2. If you compare 1 and 2, you can see that it is just like interchanging the position of the products in the denominator. Therefore, 1 is equal to 2. Hence, nc is equal to nc n minus r. Simple. So if you know this one and the first one, it makes your work fast. And so many things that you just be troubling yourself, you get your answer easily. Let's look at the third property. N choosing r plus n choosing r plus 1 will give us n plus 1 choosing r plus 1. You can see the sequence or the flow. N here, and we are selecting r and r plus 1. Adding it will give us r plus 1 in down and n plus 1 up. Now let's look at it to equate. We have 3 different parts of the equation. So on the left part we have 2 and on the right part we have 1. So let's handle the left part first. Left hand side. NCR and we have NCR plus 1. So this one is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial r factorial. This one will give us n factorial over n minus r plus 1 factorial into r plus 1 factorial. Looking at this further, it is going, we can make it like this. N factorial over n minus r plus 1 factorial into r plus 1 into r factorial. You can see this one is 1 less than this. This expression is 1 less than this, that is n minus r is equal to n minus r plus 1 plus 1. That's what this one is. So you can see n minus r is equal to n minus r plus 1 plus 1. Because when I bring it down, it's going to be n minus r minus 1 plus 1. So n minus r. So I think that one has cleared this one. So we can break this one down further. So here, this one is equal to n factorial over n minus r into n minus r plus 1 factorial r factorial. So you can see we have factors here now. We have this one here, we have this one and this one. So with this we can now say n plus n r plus 1 is equal to n factorial over n minus r into n minus r plus 1 factorial r factorial plus n factorial over n minus r plus 1 factorial r plus 1 factorial r factorial. So let me factorize now. I'm going to have n factorial out over over r plus 1, which will now give me n factorial over r factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. Now, r plus 1 plus n minus r over n minus r into r plus 1. So you can see that at the end of the day, this is going to give me n plus 1 into n factorial. That is the numerator. The denominator is now going to give me r plus 1 multiplied by r factorial. R plus 1 into r factorial. N minus r into n minus r plus 1 factorial. So you can see, this one now has given out new and easy expression. Therefore, n plus 1 multiplied by n factorial is equal to, we can say n cr plus n cr plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 factorial. That is that one. R plus 1 multiplied by r factorial is going to give us r plus 1 factorial. N minus r into n minus r plus 1 factorial. What does that give you? So that will give me n minus r factorial. But one thing I want you to know is this. N minus r is equal to n plus 1 minus r plus 1. So n minus r is equal to n plus 1 minus r plus 1. So this equation can also be stated as n plus 1 factorial over r plus 1 factorial into n plus 1 minus r plus 1 factorial. So I want you to look at this. And now let us go to the right hand side. Now let's look at the right hand side. Right hand side is equal to is n plus 1 selecting r plus 1. And that's going to be n plus 1 factorial over n plus 1 minus r plus 1 factorial into r plus 1 factorial. Now compare these two. We have r plus 1 factorial here, r plus 1 factorial here. N plus 1 minus r plus 1 factorial. So, therefore, n select r plus n select r plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 select r plus 1. So, these three properties are very useful and it makes our work very easy and fast. Thank you very much. Kindly share, subscribe if you haven't. Comments, ask questions, and whatever you feel like we should do, or if you have any question you want us to answer, kindly send to us. You can send through the comment section or other channels in the description. Thank you very much.